Hallo, herzlich willkommen, ich bin Susanne. Dieses Video ist für Deutschlerner auf A2 B1 Niveau. This video is for German learners at A2 B1 level. I received an email from a student and this student asked me, Susanne, can you explain me what wenn actually means? I'm confused. It seems to have different meanings. Yes, it does, and yes, I can explain it. I will, though, not dive into the entire complexity of the little word wenn. It's worth making another video after that one. So we will stay in present tense for today, and I'll give you the first example, which is here. Wenn kommt, gehen wir an den Strand. We could also say, falls kommt, gehen wir an den Strand. Falls is a synonym to wenn. Falls means if, and it's conditional. If he comes, we'll go to the beach. So the going to the beach is attached to the condition whether he comes or not. I could also say, sobald kommt, gehen wir an den Strand. Sobald is also a synonym of wenn. And now it means as soon as he comes, we'll go to the beach. It's not a question anymore whether we go to the beach, but it's a question of time. When do we go to the beach? So it's time related. Wenn is a synonym with or to falls and sobald. Falls means if, conditional, Konditionalsatz. Wenn is also a synonym to sobald, and sobald means as soon as, and then it's time related. It's not conditional anymore. Okay, I give you another example. It will be clear to you. Wenn ich an den Strand gehe, rufe ich dich an. Could mean, falls ich an den Strand gehe, rufe ich dich an. If I go to the beach, I call you. Conditional, Konditionalsatz. Or it could mean, sobald ich an den Strand gehe, rufe ich dich an. As soon as I go to the beach, I will call you. And now it means, I will call you. It's just a question of time. So again, wenn could mean falls. It could mean sobald. Here's another example. Geht an den Strand, wenn die Sonne scheint. It could mean, geht an den Strand, falls die Sonne scheint. If the sun comes out, he'll go to the beach. Or it could mean, geht an den Strand, sobald die Sonne scheint. Then it means as soon as the sun comes out, he will go to the beach. Then it's a question of whenever the sun comes out, he'll go. So it's time related. And not conditional. So I hope this makes sense. Wenn could mean sobald, it could mean falls. And maybe the deeper question of the email was, well, how do I know whether it means falls, conditional, or whether it means sobald, as soon as? Very good question. We may not know ourselves always clearly, but within a conversation between two people, or within a context of the conversation, it's usually clear or clearer. And if it's not, I suggest you to ask a clear question using falls or sobald. I give you an example. Rufst du mich an, falls du zum Strand gehst? Oder rufst du mich an, sobald du zum Strand gehst? And then, that is a very direct and clear question. You will get a clear and direct answer back, and you will know what the person has been saying and is saying to you. You also noticed wenn in combination with immer, I'm sure. Immer wenn. You'll hear that often. That is also something we use a lot. It's not conditional, never conditional. I give you an example. Immer wenn ich Yoga mache, fühle ich mich großartig. Always when I do yoga, I feel great. Immer wenn meine Oma kocht, riecht es so gut. Always when my grandma cooks, it smells so good. Immer wenn mein Freund vorbeikommt, bin ich so aufgeregt. Always when my boyfriend comes over, I'm so excited. So immer wenn means always when. It's not conditional. Always when that happens, that state is the case, Okay, and then wenn is also used in past tense, but in order to understand wenn in past tense, we also need to understand als. And so that's probably worth saving for another video. As I said, wenn is a bit more complex. There's more to learn about the little word wenn and past tense and so on. But I hope this video was useful. And if you have any questions, put them below the video. I will answer your questions. And for now, ich wünsche euch einen wundervollen Tag. Bis bald. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.